everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1992 Mustang LX hatchback. 9,000 original miles on this car, guys. Beautiful car. Buddy of mine, Donnie, is the one who found this car for me. A lot of guys in this industry will know him. He owns Walsh Motorsports. I love the way he described this car for me. He said it's a perfect little have fun, bang the gears, kind of go fast and go get ice cream car. Again, 9,000 original miles on it. It's definitely got a bunch of bolt-on stuff, comp cam, Paxton Supercharger. So it's something you can definitely have fun with. Factory red car. It's got the charcoal cloth interior. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car. I took it out and drove it today. Really good car. You can see the headlights are in nice shape. I saw a couple little touch-up marks on it, but not much. Pretty car, man. Of course, this body style has just gotten so hot. Tinted glass, sunroof, paint's really slick on the car, rear defog. Nice and straight down the sides. Mickey Thompson ET Streets on the rear. It's also got them on the front. See a little pretty good stone peck there. Good sounding Flowmaster X-Pipe dual exhaust system on it. Again, the rear bumper's really nice. Hard to see with my doggone shadow in the way, guys. Sorry. Fun car to hit the streets in. "15" Mickey Thompson wheels all the way around it. Those are 275s on the rear. Disc brakes. Look how pretty that car is. And all the doors in the deck lid. You can see it's got a Paxton Novi 1200 Supercharger in it, GT40 intake. Does have headers, Anderson power pipe on it. Electric fans, power steering, power front disc brakes. You can open the doors tonight. T5 5-speed manual transmission. This is the stuff I know everybody wants to see. Car's never been banged up. It's got all your original Ford decals on it. Like I say, just a wicked cool car, man. Fun car to drive. Dual power mirrors inside. It's got some aftermarket gauges we'll show you. Door handles are real nice. You can see the door jambs are nice. There's a little door tag on it. Power windows, power locks. Factory bucket seats, console shifter, steering wheel. It's got power lumbar. Headliner's nice. Steering wheel, it's got some aftermarket gauges. 9,081 miles on this car. I'm sorry, 9,815. Sorry, 9,815 miles on the car. You can see the Super Comp tach. Pretty much factory dash. I might be doing something wrong. I couldn't get the radio to come on, guys. Again, that's kind of par for the course for me. I'm not a radio guy. I think I showed you this little touch-up mark there. X-pipe dual exhaust, 8.8, 373 rear end, and it's got an SVO cover on it. Aftermarket front K-member with coilovers. And again, when you look in there, all your original tags are in there on the car. I don't think the spare is in here. I'm sure they took that out for weight. Killer car, man. Original sunshade is in there. Very clean underneath, like obviously you'd expect. Got some good pictures of the bottom of the car for you. Pretty car. Seats are nice. If I can sneak back there so you can see them. Just a wicked cool car, guys. Dash is in great shape. Somebody's kept this car super nice, man. They've loved this car. Center console's in great shape. Put your parking brake on, Mike. I'm going to have to shut that door. There you go. You have to come out and shut the hood, Mike. Tach works, door buzzer works. Again, all your gauges are functional. Only thing, like I said, the only thing I couldn't get to work in there was that was the radio. And I don't know if I have it plugged in right. All that stuff worked. Tach works. Windows, all that stuff works. Doors open and close real nice. Wipers. Put your headlights on, Mike. Pull your headlights on. Should be on the dash. I know all that stuff works, guys. Again, make sure you keep, go ahead and shut your door, Mike. Make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys.